Cracking your joints. Does it hurt or help? Let's set the record straight. Cracking your joints is called joint cavitation, and no, it's not harmful. It's just the sound of gas bubbles popping in the synovial fluid inside your joints. When you stretch or move your joint in a certain way, the pressure changes and those gas bubbles are released. No damage, just a quick release of pressure. While cracking joints doesn't cause harm, it's not always the solution. Temporary relief is fine, but cracking doesn't fix the root cause of pain or stiffness. If you're cracking your joints frequently to feel better, it's time to focus on strengthening and mobility exercises. Don't just pop, move better. Follow for more insights on joint health.